In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make money from your blog's exit traffic with Exit Splash in less than 10 minutes. Now, I didn't initially design the Exit Splash script to actually work on WordPress blogs or any blogs in that matter, but it actually does work okay. It's not awesome, it's not perfect. It's because WordPress blogs use themes, and there are literally hundreds of thousands of different types of themes out there on the internet, and there's so many scripts going on in the background and so many plugins, and there's just so much stuff kind of going on inside of a WordPress website that it's nearly impossible for me to accommodate for everything. But still, that being said, Exit Splash seems to work fairly decent on a WordPress blog. I'm going to test it on mine right in front of you, and I'm going to show you a way that you can increase your profits just from your exit traffic of your blogs. You may have a blog kind of sitting out there right now getting a little bit of traffic, but you're not really making any money from it. So here's a way to make a little bit extra money, and it doesn't compromise your blog. Like, it won't make it act weird or anything like that all the time. I'm going to show you how to specifically do it on just one page on your blog. So let's try this. This is pretty cool. So we're looking at my blog, which is davegwindon.info. And so what I want to do here is, I don't want it that when people come to my blog all the time, like the main page, I don't want it so that when you leave my blog that my exit will come up. But what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to create an additional page here. You see that in WordPress you can post your blog posts to the front home page here like this, but you also have the ability to create separate pages. For example, I got one here that talks about me, another one about some pictures from a recent conference I went to, and then another one of different products that I sell on the internet. Okay, let's go ahead and make another page, and then when people leave that particular page, we're going to catch that exit traffic and then redirect them to a ClickBank product through my affiliate link. Sound pretty cool? So if they buy the particular product that I'm referring them to, I can make some commissions. So let me show you how you have to do that. So the first thing we need to do is we need to download Exit Splash and throw it up on my server. So once you get access to the product, you'll be given a place where you can download it. So I'm just going to go ahead and download that. And I'm just going to download it to my desktop just to make things simple. Alright, and then of course you got to open that. And if you don't have a zip utility, because it comes in a zip file, that's no problem. There's a free zip utility program that I have installed on my computer I use all the time. It's pretty cool. 7-zip.org. Download that, install it, and once it's installed, all you have to do is right click and you'll see a little menu there, 7-zip, extract here. It's just one file. That's all it is. Let's just delete that. Now let's upload this file to my server, and I'm going to use a program called FileZilla. That's what the icon looks like, and I think I have it open here. And you can get FileZilla over at filezilla-project.org and install the client, the FileZilla client, and you've got it on your computer. Now I'm just going to log into my main blog there. Okay, I need to upload that file, so I need to go to my desktop. Let's go and find it. There it is. And then I need to go into my folder that contains all my HTML files. I'm just going to double click this and it should upload. It's going to overwrite. I already have it up there, but I'll just throw it there anyways. So now it's on my website. The next thing we need to do is generate our code for our Exit Splash to occur. So the first thing I need to do is enter in the script location. Where did we put it? I put it on www.davegwindon.info/exit splash.php. And now what I want to do is when they try to leave, I'm going to redirect them to an affiliate link. So how do you do that? What you could do is you go to a website called clickbank.com, and you could join up for a free account at clickbank.com, which I highly recommend for many reasons. It's free. Just go here, become an affiliate, sign up now, and just go through all the process for signing up here, and then you create your own account nickname, and you just make it up. I have several accounts at ClickBank. To give you some ideas, you can use your dog's name, your pet's name, your business name, the name of your street you live on. It doesn't really matter what it is. It can be a number. It's just an ID to identify you in the system, and you use this ID to create affiliate links. Now check this out. You go to marketplace.com, or you go to marketplace here at clickbank.com, and let's say I want to promote something related to eBay. Let's type in eBay. Okay, and let's take a look at the second product here. I like to promote that on my exit when people try to leave a page I'm going to create on my blog. So what you do is you click create hop link, and after you create your account, you just stick your nickname in there. I got one called ehot items, and you can make a little optional tracking code if you'd like. Just call it blog because it's coming from my blog. Create, take this link right here, left click, right click, copy. Let's close out this window. I don't need this name, close that out, and go to exit web page location, right click, and paste. And what I like to do is make sure you stick in your ClickBank ID here as well. That means you can earn commissions from me if anyone purchases my Exasplash software. So that's a good way of getting extra commissions, and I'll show you where that will show up in the exit. I'm also going to select the pre-warning window, a default image, just one of the images, and of course one of the audios. And go ahead, click generate, left click, right click, copy. Now let's go back into my blog. Oh, that's not it. I've already logged into my blog here. I'm under the pages section here, and I'm going to add a new page in my WordPress blog. Should just only take a moment here. Now I'm just going to name this, let's say for example, it was eBay products. And you listed a few eBay products that you own if you're into the eBay niche. Okay? So that would be the name of my page. And then some HTML, or go to visual here. And then this would be the content of that particular page. This is my eBay products page. See my eBay products below. Blah, blah, blah. You'd list your products here. Thanks for reading. Good enough. Just for an example, right? But here's what you want to do. Go over to HTML tab here, and just under here, right click and paste. Alright? Now let's go ahead and publish that page, and let's go test it out. Okay, so I'm just going to open this up, my blog, in a new window. Alright, so we're on this page here. Now if we go to products, or where is now eBay products, this is the page you just created. Say we go here, and someone's browsing along, and they're like, oh, they don't like, they want to leave, so this is where we're going to capture the exit traffic. Before you go, and now you can hear the audio there. Simply click the cancel button right now. I guess you couldn't hear it very well, but one of the audio messages came up. And you can see it's a little bit off center here, but it still works. This is where it wasn't working perfectly with this specific theme that I have running on my WordPress blog. Sometimes this doesn't happen, but that's okay because people can just scroll over and they can see the offer. And so now if they go through and buy this particular product through my link, I will get commissions. In addition, if your web visitors go up here and see this, and click here and go to my site and buy my product, I pay you 65% commissions. So there's a couple ways you can make money. Now, I want to prove to you that it works on other browsers as well. So I'm going to bring up Firefox here, which is another very popular. The two most popular browsers is Firefox and the Internet Explorer. And that comprises about 95% of your traffic uses those two browsers. So let's go ahead and check this out. There we are on that page. If we try to leave, let's see what happens here. Now this one works a lot nicer. There's no space over here, so this works great. Now let's try another browser. Now here's the next browser that's going to take over a lot of the browser people out there looking for new browsers. The Google Chrome is another one, and it also works in Google Chrome just very nicely. From your WordPress blog, go to, whoops, not there. I'm going to go to eBay products, and when people try to leave, they see your message here, and you can earn commissions the two different ways. So that's how you could earn commissions by utilizing the exit splash on your WordPress blogs. Okay, I just clicked the order button there, And just to make sure that it works, you see my IDs at the bottom and my little tracking code. So it does work, in fact. It's pretty cool. I could show you again in this browser here if you'd like. If you hit the order button, it goes over to ClickBank. And you can see my ID at the bottom there. So that's a cool way that you can get commissions by utilizing Exit Splash on your blogs. It's pretty simple. If you know how to use WordPress a little bit, then it's definitely pretty easy to earn some extra income from people trying to leave your website. Hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.